কি খবর তোমার? ভালো আছো?
What is your name?
You don't know my name? I think you know my name.
Yeah.
You know what is my name? Tell me.
Milan Dada.
Yes, you're right.
What was your ambition when you were small?
How small I was.
Like me.
Like you, I had no ambition at that time.
You don't. Did you let them know that you want to be a businessman?
Never. I never thought I would be a businessman. I only thought I will be a journalist. Sports journalist.
Now also you want to be a sport journalist?
No more time left. I can't be.
Did you know how old are you?
Almost 69 years.
Why did you do a house in Bandarban?
Why? How?
Why
Huh?
why you do a house in Bandarban?
Say it again.
Why did you think to live in Bandarban?
Because it's a nice place.
You don't want to live in Dhaka?
No.
Why?
Dhaka is not legal.
अपने काटा बच्चा से
কত?
काटा बच्चा से
কটা?
দুইটা আপনি কোনো নাতি না আপনি কোনো আস্তা তার এখানে আপনার সাথে থাকে না
না।
কেন
ওই যে দেখছিস না? পাঁচটা।
তার এখানে আপনার সাথে থাকে না
ওরা যে ওদের স্কুল আছে যে ওরা কেমন করে থাকে